Good afternoon. My name is Alena Shautsova. I am an immigration attorney from Brooklyn, New York. Today I would like to tell you about recent developments in immigration laws of the United States and its implementation. Specifically, earlier this month, Attorney General Jeff Sessions announced zero tolerance policy towards illegal entrance into the United States and illegal re-entrance. It means that all those who are trying to enter the United States illegally, including potential refugees, or those who are trying to re-enter the United States illegally, will face criminal penalties. And those penalties may range from 6 months to 2 years in jail, depending on the type of the violation committed and how many times the person committed such a violation. Specifically, the law punishes any person who enters or attempts to enter the United States at any time or place other than as designated by immigration officers, or eludes examination or inspection by immigration officers, or attempts to enter or obtains entry into the United States by a willfully false or misleading representation or the willful concealment of a material fact. So basically, the United States Attorney General asked all the prosecutors to abandon the policy that very often was used at the border by the officers, what's the policy of catch and release, when some people who are trying to come to the United States would be caught and then released, very often without being processed through the system, and of course without being criminally prosecuted. So now he said that this is not going to be the case, and people who are trying to enter the United States illegally will be subjected to criminal penalties. That law, we just need to say that that law existed before. It was just implemented differently. The Congress did adopt this law. It means that at some point the Congress believed that this should be the way those who are entering the United States without authorization or illegally should be handled. However, of course, each situation is different and should be assessed on a case-by-case basis. I should say that those who are seeking to come to the United States in hopes of getting asylum should probably consider surrendering themselves at the border, at the designated port of entry, rather than crossing the border, just because they may face criminal penalties in case if the prosecutor decides to bring the case and prosecute them, and they will face quite severe punishments, and not to say that they will have criminal conviction. They might have criminal conviction in their record. So this is a recent update, and as soon as I have more information about this policy and what's happening with that, I will post more updates. Thank you.